राज
ओनली 150 लेगा।
हाँ
है ना?
सीधा चलो।
इसमें मिनी ताजमहल, मीना बाजार।
यार कम करके डायरेक्ट ताजमहल के
Direct।
पास छोड़ दो।
कम करके नहीं होता है।
150 सीधा चलो।
चलो।
क्या भैया कैसा है घोड़ा? वीक है।
हाँ
So
your meal also would have taken white
we
horse, right?
made it to Taj Mahal. So we have just taken a horse ride, and we are all. The weather is actually pleasant, so we are happy that we could make it at this time because the weather is very pleasant, man. I didn't want to actually struggle in that sunlight. So this is the walkway to Taj Mahal. I don't know if you guys can see. I could see the minaret, one of the minarets over there. I don't think I can actually see one tip. So guys, done with the security check. I mean, I've been here earlier to Taj, but it was not this strict. But this time it's very strict, and they kind of. So yeah, it's almost 4:20. So we left at around 12:30ish. So what is your opinion? There are few historical photos, I mean, which I have not seen actually. So there was one from a very old year. These are the more recent photos, fully furbished. So you have a few older ones, restorations and everything. So
Before and after.
the gateways to the Taj. So these are the gardens around Taj. Man, I don't know how lucky we are, but yeah, we were supposed to reach here by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but glad that we made it at the sunrise time. It's very beautiful, man. So you can see Taj over there. So guys, hope you guys liked this place, man. I don't know how many of you have been here, but if you've not, do come and visit someday, man. Just look at this beauty during sunset, man. So we'll be going close by, so we've booked tickets so that we can go really close to that place. So let's see. So guys, the sky is clear and they're very close to Taj Mahal. So we've actually taken tickets to go on top, so we just headed that way. The Taj Gardens are simply beautiful, man. You know, if you guys have not seen it, come and see it. I hope you guys are not bored by just seeing this. Man, imagine this was built hundreds of years ago. And so it's almost been 1 hour since we entered. We've still not covered the whole thing, so we are on the back side of the Taj Mahal, and that is the Yamuna river. Fuck, this is epic, man. I'm so glad we made it here in the evening. Just look at the sunset, man. So happy to be near the Taj Mahal for this beautiful sunset. Some birds flying by. We're exiting. Are you guys bored of the Taj Mahal? I don't give a damn. I'm loving this place. I don't know, the vibes here are next level, man. It's a beautiful place. The beautiful city of Agra. City, no, city.
So almost we reached in 3.5 hours, right?
We took 4 hours.
4 hours.
Huh.
No, we left at 12:30, right?
The famous Raj Kachori from Haldiram. So guys, we just made it back to Delhi. So first stop, as soon as we got down, this Haldiram is right next to the place we stay. So just thought we'll come here, finish some eating. This is our dinner, by the way. Instagram model. We've ordered some more food, but for now. So we have the table full. So some pav bhaji, chana bhature from and Raj Kachori with some coke. So no. So guys, finally back to the room, and we've done for the day. All of us didn't have sleep from the previous day, so we all of us are just chilling here. And so yeah, that's day one, guys. We had a great day, We saw a lot of things, and also the cab guy that took us to Taj, right, gave us a lot of info on the local culture and politics and all of that. It was a good actually learning from the cab guy. So yeah, I mean, that is what traveling is all about. So with that being said, I'll end day one here. Again, it's midnight and we have not, all of us have not slept for more than 24 hours. We had very less sleep here in the car or in the flight. It was not a comfy one though. So yeah, so ending the vlog here. Stay tuned for day 2. Tomorrow we'll be exploring some parts of Delhi and then heading to Kasol. So take care guys, peace out.